What happens if you do not settle your claim with the insurance company? I'm asked that question a lot. We'll get the initial phone call and they'll say, look, the client's calling me and saying, the offer they're making just seems ridiculously low. It barely covers my car from the car wreck and the repairs that I needed on the car. It doesn't cover all my medical treatment. And what about my time off work? Well, if you choose not to settle with the insurance company, and there's nothing wrong with that, you have a limited period of time to either file a lawsuit or move your claim forward and get it settled. In Indiana, a car wreck, you have 2 years from the date of the collision, from the date of the wreck, to file that lawsuit. But if you decide that you're just not being treated fair by the insurance company, you don't have to roll over and die and accept what they're offering you. You have the right to fight that, and you can also employ an attorney to help you with it. That's what we do. And so what you would do is have the attorney get involved to get you a better result. We have found, and there's been nationwide studies done, that people with an attorney in claims against insurance companies get far more in the settlement than they do when they're on their own. And of course, insurance companies know that. That's why they tend to offer low amounts. They also did a study that 80%, or 8 out of 10 people, roll over and die, as my example before. They go ahead and take it just because they don't want the fight, they just want it over with, they want it done. And that 20% of the people that hire lawyers, they pay more claims on them, but the bottom line is they save money. So you can go ahead and take, and I don't want to be overly negative about that, because sometimes, depending on a person's situation, it makes sense. It's wise for them to get it done and get the case resolved, and I understand that. But if you're not happy with it, and you feel like you're not getting a fair shake, call an attorney, talk to an attorney. Almost all of them, I know we will offer a free consultation. We'll talk to you about it. If nothing else, it helps you make the decision that, yeah, you know, I am going to settle for this without an attorney, because after meeting with Darren and talking through all this stuff, I don't want to go down that path. I want to get it done now, even though it's not a full amount, and I'm good with that. So it helps you make that decision. Why not? Doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of time to talk to an attorney about it. It's also important to note that an insurance company cannot force you to settle the case. You don't have to force, you don't have to take the money that they're offering. If you believe it's a low dollar amount, it's an unfair amount, that you deserve more, you're not being compensated for your time off work, maybe you have some outstanding medical bills, maybe there's future medical treatment that's not being covered in this settlement, you definitely talk to us. Give us a call, we'll walk you through that, we'll explain it to you. If we can help, we'll help you with it so that you do get fully compensated. It's your decision. You get to decide whether you want us involved or not. You can still decide at the end of that meeting, that free meeting, there's no charge, to go ahead and resolve it on your own, and that's fine too. But the insurance company, the reality is they cannot force you to do it. You have the right to file your case with the court and have a jury trial and not be forced to take a crappy low offer from an insurance company.